Imagine waking up in a cozy wooden tiny home, sipping your morning coffee on a stunning rooftop deck surrounded by lush greenery. This charming tiny house is not just small, it's smart, stylish, and full of personality. With its sloped roof, a bold orange front door that welcomes you in, and a rooftop oasis filled with potted plants, this home is the perfect blend of comfort and creativity. And welcome to this beautifully crafted tiny home, a perfect blend of warmth, style, and functionality. From the moment you step through the bold orange front door, you are greeted by an inviting space designed for comfort and charm. The modern kitchen is proof that small space can be both stylish and practical. With clever storage solution and a sleek design, it's everything you need to cook up a delicious meal. The living area is cozy and full of character, perfect for relaxing with a good book or enjoying a quiet evening in. Large window let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel bright and airy. And here is the sleeping space, snug yet peaceful retreat nested under the sloped ceiling. The wooden interior adds a natural, calming feel, making it the ideal spot to unwind after a long day. Every detail in this tiny home is designed with beauty and functionality in mind. Who says small living can't be big on style? Step inside this stunning tiny home where modern design meets cozy charm. From the moment you walk through the bold orange front door, you are greeted by a beautifully crafted wooden interior, built in natural light and designed for both style and comfort. The modern kitchen is proof that small space can be incredibly functional, with elegant white cabinets, black appliances, and a clever layout. This kitchen makes cooking a joy without sacrificing space. The living area is the perfect spot to unwind, featuring a cozy sofa, beautiful wood finish, and plenty of natural light pouring in from the windows. It's a small space that feels open, bright, and inviting. And just up this stylish stair, you will find the loft bed of peaceful retreat nested under the slope wooden ceiling, where whether you are curling up with a book or getting a restful night's sleep, this space is designed for ultimate comfort. This tiny home proves that small living doesn't mean compromise on style, functionality, or comfort. Every detail is designed to make the most of the space while keeping it warm, bright, and inviting. And welcome to this beautifully designed tiny home bathroom, a perfect combination of style and functionality in a compact space. With its bright orange door and white wood interior, the space feels fresh, clean, and inviting. The modern sink area is both elegant and practical, featuring a stylish mirror and plenty of space for your daily essential. Despite its small size, every inch of this bathroom is designed for convenience. The toilet is tucked perfectly into the layout, maximizing space without compromising comfort. The white wood walls and bright lighting create a fresh, airy feel, and here is the shower cabin compact, yet offering a refreshing and comfortable experience. The thoughtful design ensures you have everything you need in this cozy space. With a small window and an exhaust fan, this bathroom stays well ventilated, keeping it fresh and free for humidity. This tiny home bathroom may be small, but it's big on style and functionality. Every detail is designed to make the space feel comfortable, fresh, and practical. Between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronizing layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration. And thanks for watching until the end. If you love this tiny home design, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching, guys. Wait for my next video in this content and have a good day.